No capes, no tights. No offense.
Thanks for backing me up in there.
You don't leave a guy a lot of options. You've no idea what your secrets have done to us.
What does that...
McGann believed Kaldor had killed Artemis. So when she found him on the Reach ship, she fried his brain. That's gotta be why Artemis grabbed her, to try and save Kaldor's broken mind. But McGann doesn't know how to do that. So Manta may just kill her and kill Tigress if she blows her cover trying to save her. And we'll have lost all three of them because you thought it was a bad idea to share.
Guess you've met the criteria for Super Club. Word of advice, don't try to eat that. Ugh.
Well, talking about teenagers having sex would be cheap exploitation. But singing about it is another story. I met Lena, went to a movie.
But I'm not like you, Clark. I mean, maybe on the outside with what I can do, but what that ring brought out in me, that was all Lex. If you feel that way, maybe, I should start dressing the part. I know I have a lot to learn, but when you feel that I'm ready to join the team, I'd like to.